India, 23rd December is celebrated as National Farmers Day on the birthday of 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh. He is a well-known farmers leader who introduced many laws to improve Indian farmers' life. This day is also known as Kisan Divas. On this day, in schools, colleges, and many organizations, competitions, drawing competitions, essay writing competitions, seminars, etc. are held.
A farmer's life is all about working hard day and night and cultivating their crops. They plough the land, sow the seed, and wait for them to grow into good crops. They don't care about whether the season is good or bad. All they care about is whether their crops will grow good or bad. For them, the good crops values like real gold. And that's it.
Hello everyone. National Farmers Day or Kisan Divas is celebrated on 23rd of December. This day is celebrated to create awareness among the people about the farmers. Our India is a land of great agriculture and farmers are backbone of our economic development. Farmers work selflessly very hard to feed our country and at the end they are only able to have an income of about 20% of that of an average Indian, which is entirely spent on the cultivation for the next season. They are illiterate, so they can't opt for any of the government schemes. And if any disaster occurs during the cultivation period, they are left with no savings. So, farmers should be given much more importance. Thank you.
A farmer is generally poor and illiterate. He does not have enough money to educate his children. Thus, again, his children remain poor and uneducated. So, unwantedly, he gets caught in the vicious cycle of poverty. Being uneducated, he is unaware of the technological advances and the scientific development in the fields of agriculture, due to which he practices generation old methods and techniques in farming. He is also ignorant of the programs and the policies made by the government which are meant to bring relief and comfort in his life, and hence he fails to get benefited by them. So his ignorance becomes the cause of his victimization either at the hand of the moneylender or nature.
So at last I want to say that about 70% of the population of India belongs to the rural areas. Mainly they are farmers, and we just can't say that India is a country of cities and town. No, that's a myth. We we are highly dependent on farmers. We are the country of farmers. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. And it's it's a curse that most of the farmers are not having a basic facilities. No, that's a fact. We should know that. It's our duty, the duty of common man, the duty of government organization, the duty of non-government organizations to make people, to make farmers, to make the people of rural areas aware of the technologies, of the the policies which are going on, and it's our responsibility too. We should not forget that the real success of India depends upon the success of farmers. We just can't deny that. That day the farmers will grow more, the country will grow more. Thank you very much and happy Farmers Day.